Hello and welcome to this new video about the Nature project. Today we're going to have an overview of the game. Once you have started the game, you are greeted with this screen and you see on the left hand side that you can either log in if you already have an account or register if you want to create an account. Remember the architecture video, there are three types of accounts: students, teachers and content creator. So if I'm clicking on register, I will need to select which type of account I want to create, and then I will need to input a few information. If I want to be a student, I will need a username and a password, or if I want to be a teacher or content creator, I will also need to insert a special code. If you want to be given this code and you are a teacher or content creator, please contact us. You also can find some options in the game. So those options can be about graphics. Because this game is pretty hungry in terms of performances, it might be smart to actually go to a lower resolution than the one of your screen if you have some issues with fluidity, or select a quality which is pretty low. But otherwise, if you don't have any issue with that, I would recommend that you just go with the best graphical quality. You can also limit the amount of FPS if you have too much FPSs, and change the type of anti-aliasing that is used in-game. You can select if the game is going to be full screen or not, and very important, if you want to have feedback on the performances, you can see here an FPS counter, which is going to tell you the maximum amount of FPS displayed, the minimum amount, and here in the middle the average amount. In order to have a good gaming experience, try to be above 60 FPS. In options, you also have lots of options about the sound. You can change the volume of all the sound, or just the music, or just the sound effects. And finally, you can also select a different language. Currently, the game supports those languages: English, Greek, Spanish, Portuguese, Latvian, Estonian, Italian. One more thing you can do when you are in this menu is look at the bottom right menu here, where you have a few things. So let's begin with the videos. If I click here on video, it will bring me to the CTLL page of the download where I can see the videos. Same thing for the manual. I can see the credits of the game, so to see who has created the game. I can have a link to the Nature Consortium and know more about the Nature project. I can go to the Nature project portal. I can write an email to us. And finally, I can have a look at the Nature Encyclopedia. Thank you for your attention and see you in another video.